Yo, DJ Sound, the motherfucker's house. Leave that shit. My favorite first motherfucking day. Shit
I warned him at first. His game was so weak, he never pictured that the bitch was down free. Now she was shy and nothing but light. She kept her stress dressed tight, high as a kite. She was looking me hard. I knew she wanted some dick, but what comes first? You're biting off that pussy. Yeah, looked at my dick and I said, give me some advice. Don't make it nasty, make it precise. He looked me dead in my face, hard as a brick, and said, smooth, you better try to kill that bitch. Because number one, his game ain't strong enough. Number two, his dick ain't long enough. Number three, I get you back, that I'm sure you know. The number that hoe, I called her up. I said I wanted to fuck and the bitch took less than 30 minutes and hit my door with the dick look. I let her in, locked the door, the mama got naked. So I dropped my jabos in a Wall Street second. She hit her knees, her mouth it open like a garage. My nuts look at my dick and they all yell, George. She started sucking, eyes open, watching my nuts bang her in the chin with my dick in her esophagus.